Hello everyone. Today I start Python full course for beginner. In this course I cover 15 chapter in Python A to Z, and each chapter complete I give a task and project to practice. If you learn Python then you can do AI, machine learning, web development and automation. What is Python? Python is a high level interpreted programming language known for simplicity and reliability. That's why Python is a popular language. Let's talk about features of Python. First, easy to learn and simple syntax. Second, cross-platform, works on Windows, Linux and Mac. Third, open source, free to use. Fourth, object-oriented, support classes and object. Fifth, extensive library like Max, OS, random. The example of extensive library. Python has built-in module like max, do to calculate quickly. So import max, print max sqrt16. The output is 4.0. So in next video I start the course. First you can install the Python on computer or laptop. If you see the screen, type python.org and click this link. Then go to download and download the latest version. In next video I start Python chapter 1. Thanks for watching and do like, share, subscribe.